What is happening? My name is Gene Darden, and I am here to give you what's up in the real estate market. What I'm going to tell you in this video is what price points are hot and who's buying the houses in those price points and what I'm seeing as far as boots on the ground in the Birmingham, Alabama area. Now, look, I am not going to give you a bunch of stats of this is how many houses sold, this is how many houses listed, all that. But you can get that by hitting the link below, and you can get the super stats, and you can see all those things, and you can see everything I'm about to tell you as it reflects in those reports. What I'm going to tell you is exactly what I'm experiencing on a person-to-person, agent-to-client basis, so you understand just the day-to-day, because we're in it every day. We're talking to clients every day, showing houses every day, listing houses every day. No better information than somebody who's doing it first hand versus somebody up in Wall Street that tells you what they think might happen in the real estate market. So here it is. Listen, if you like this and this helps you, please subscribe, share it with your friends. I'm Gene Darden with the Real Brokerage Southern Realty Specialist Team. I've been blessed to be selling real estate in this area since 2009. I'd be honored to serve you as a buyer or seller. There's my spiel. Here we go. Let's get into it. So what I experienced this morning, I had a first-time buyer call me. Hey, a house just hit the market at 210, and they were flying to it. And we jumped in there, and most likely, we looked at it this morning, we're going to make an offer on it. Most likely, this house is going to have multiple offers. Here's why. They're a first-time buyer, and 2 or 3 months ago, when rates are at 8%, that payment on that type house was $200 to $300 more than it is right now. So he's experiencing the same thing a lot of these other first-time buyers are, which is affordability is helped because now your rates are down at 6.5, 6.6, some even 6.4 range. And they're fluctuating, but they're fluctuating down. So it's making these price points more affordable. So these first-time buyers, if you're in that 350,000 and below range, you may run into multiple offers again because we still have low inventory. It is ticking up because everybody's coming out of that holiday slumber, and those that had plans to move are starting to get their house ready, get their house on the market, get their Christmas decorations down, all the things you need to do to get moving along. And so that's hopping. So that's our experience with that. And then on the other side, if you're in that $350,000 to $500,000 range, most of those are going to be your single family folks that are on those 2% rates. They've got kids in the house or whatever. They're pretty settled in. Kids are in school. Everybody's happy. Don't want to let go of the rates. Don't want to fight affordability. They're sitting still. So the stats on the 350 to 500 range, days on market are a little higher meaning 60 to 90 days on market in that range, as opposed to 350 and below. Your days on market are 45 to 60, maybe even a little bit lower. So the first thing I told you is who's going to be buying houses and what price. First-time buyers, 350 and under. They're coming into it because it's affordable. Your mid-range, they're kind of sitting tight on them 2% rates, raising their family. Things are grooving. Here's another thing, though. On the 500 and up range, I'm experiencing I see a lot of probate, a lot of in-laws moving in with families. A lot of families even moving their kids home back in from college. And maybe they downsize when their kids left off for college, and then just realize maybe affordability and the job market and inflation has affected it where they can't quite afford a house yet. And all of a sudden they're finding a full house again. So let's go get a bigger house. Well, they're falling into the boomers, Gen X, and those areas, they have cash on hand. So if you're 500 to 900,000, those houses are performing almost as well as the 350 and under houses. Their days on market are a tick higher, in your 60 to 90 day range, but they are still moving. So those are the three segments that I'm seeing. That's who's buying: boomer, Gen X, first time buyers. That's what I'm seeing. And on the selling side, right now, if you're sitting on those 2% interest rates, death, divorce, job change, those are the main people that we see listing houses right now. There are a few foreclosures leaking in the market, but I'm not really seeing that being something big that's going to hugely impact the market. So right now, that's it. So I hope this helps you. I hope you understand what's happening. If you're looking to buy or sell, then this should give you a broad overview. And the only thing next is for you to find an agent. That's me, Gene Darden, 205-426-1113. I appreciate you watching this video. Again, subscribe if it helps you. Hit the description below if you want those stats and you're a details and data guy. We got that for you as well. And also DM me or give me a call if I can help you in any way. I appreciate you watching this. Again, Gene Darden, Real Brokerage Southern Realty Specialist Team. Have yourself a blessed day. See you.